Next up, girls just want to have fun for Lab Rat. In this, we need to head once again across to the villa just to the east of Midnight Sapphire to the building complex at around 165, 173. You don't need any keys or anything like that, so this mission is relatively simple to do. It's just a very well guarded area with tons of AI and of course even more around the center building, but we don't need to go there for this quest. You will of course need to keep your wits about you. Heading towards this section of buildings all the way over here, we'll head across to the front entrance just on the north, and once again the main gate is closed, but we can go around the side to the car gate where we can get access. It's pretty much a copy paste of the other buildings in the area. When you get here, navigate to the right and across to the main entrance just over here. Now, opening up this door here, once again, we're right over here. Once you get in here, head right across this section. You'll see one door, then another door. The second door is the one that we need to go to, and inside you'll find a person over here. Simply press F on them to interact, and once you've done that, you've basically finished this quest. You can head back to spawn and collect your reward. So, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.